And Gordon is not the only tropical system we're watching. Right behind Gordon, out into the southern tropical Atlantic, is Florence, which is a tropical storm. Winds about 70 miles per hour, almost hurricane strength. So we'll be watching Florence's progress as well. But right now, all eyes on Gordon and the Gulf Coast. Here you see the latest satellite loop. Winds have strengthened. It was about 50 miles per hour earlier today, now moving away from land along the western Florida coast. Winds are up to 60 miles per hour. It's moving west-northwest at 17 miles per hour. Is expected in the eastern Gulf and possibly could make landfall, as you heard, as a Category 1. After that, inland, then a little bit of a jog to the northeast. Right now, does not look like the inland rains would impact us, but that would be a week or so away if we get any of the remnants of that. Right now, we are looking at a very dry 2 days for most of us, although today we did have a couple of isolated storms that persisted along that I-80 corridor. That helped a little with the heat. Everyone else into the 90s today. 93 was the high. That ties 4th of July, this 4th of July, which we also hit 93 for the high. So our two summer holidays this summer, both were the hottest 2 days of the year so far. 93 degrees on July 4th and today. We've reached 90 or above 12 days so far this year. Our average for Pittsburgh for 90-degree days is 9. So there's the almanac. 93 the high, 71 the low. Normals are 79 and 58. So our low only a few degrees below where we normally top out. Record high is at 96. That was set back in 1953. No record territory the next couple of days, but still very, very steamy. Currently still in the 70s, even 81 in Pittsburgh now. Only comfortable spot really would be Somerset and Newcastle, 69 degrees there. Still very muggy though. Next 6 hours, the temperature slowly starts to dip down close to 70 degrees, and that's even by 5 a.m. And remember, our lows normally in the upper 50s, or historically 30-year averages. Here's the radar. We show you those showers and thunderstorms that were along the I-80 corridor earlier. Mercer County, southern Mercer County, got a couple of inches of rain. Jefferson County had one strong line of storms go through. This could be the same situation tomorrow. In the higher elevations of the Laurels and Ridges and up along I-80, Futurecast will show you in the morning very quiet, but then we get that heat of the day, the instability popping up in the afternoon. Those would be the most likely areas, but can't rule out an isolated shower or thunderstorm for all of us. Wednesday morning, more of the same. Isolated shower thunderstorm in the afternoon, evening. Thursday, front comes through, breaks the heat, and gives all of us a good chance for some showers and thunderstorms in the second half of the day. So mainly clear, warm and humid tonight, low of 71 degrees. Tomorrow, mostly sunny. Guess what? Hot and humid, high of 91 degrees, and the forecast shows on the 7-day, 91 Wednesday. Thursday, here comes the front, finally back to the 70s for next weekend.